Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving deep into the Audi A6 Avant Sond, and trust me, this is not your average wagon. Stick around, because there's a lot more to this car than just a spacious trunk. The A6 Avant Sond gets a refined design update. Up front, Audi's signature single-frame grille is now wider and more aggressive. Flanked by digital LED matrix headlights, the front end exudes confidence. Along the side, clean shoulder lines and flush door handles give it a sleek, aerodynamic look. And at the back, you've got a sharp LED light bar that spans the width, giving the Avant a futuristic edge. Sitting on optional 21-inch alloys, this wagon definitely turns heads. Step inside, and it's a digital paradise. The A6 Avant comes with Audi's latest infotainment system, featuring dual touch screens and haptic feedback. There's a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit behind the steering wheel, fully customizable for navigation, media, and driving data. The materials: top-notch, soft leather, aluminium accents, ambient lighting, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel give it that premium feel. Rear passengers get generous legroom, and the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Being an Avant, practicality is key. You get over 565 liters of boot space, and with the rear seats down, that jumps to more than 1,680 liters, a perfect for road trips, pets, or your next IKEA run. Tech-wise, the A6 Avant is packed. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system, and Audi's AI-powered voice assistant are just the beginning. And safety: you've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, traffic jam assist, and even remote parking from your smartphone. It's as smart as it is stylish. Under the hood, you've got options. The base model features a 2.0-liter mild hybrid TFSI engine pushing out 265 horsepower, but step up to the 3.0-liter V6 and you're looking at 340 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque, paired to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. The ride: smooth, quiet, but capable. Adaptive air suspension ensures comfort on long drives while still giving it a planted, responsive feel in dynamic mode. The quattro system delivers outstanding grip, especially in tight corners. Whether you're on a winding mountain pass or cruising the Autobahn, the A6 Avant remains composed and confident. If efficiency is your game, Audi also offers plug-in hybrid variants, with up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles, of all-electric range, perfect for city commutes. The Audi A6 Avant starts at around $63,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims and plug-in hybrids pushing close to $80,000. Not cheap, but you're getting performance, luxury, and versatility in one sleek package. So, is the Audi A6 Avant the ultimate luxury wagon? Absolutely. It's elegant, high-tech, fun to drive, and incredibly practical. If you're looking for a premium family car without going full SUV, this is it. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. Would you take the A6 Avant over an SUV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, drive safe and stay classy.